In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about plumbing for toilet drain systems, so you can handle your bathroom issues without sweating it. Toilet drain plumbing might sound super technical, but honestly, once you get the basics, it's way less scary than it seems. First off, always make sure you've got the right tools before starting, like a plunger, pipe wrench, and a good drain snake. When you're working on the toilet drain, check the wax ring seal between the toilet and the floor flange. If that's messed up, leaks happen fast. Also, keep an eye on the drain pipe itself. It should be free from cracks or clogs that slow down water flow. If you ever smell something funky near your toilet, that usually means your vent stack is blocked or the trap is dry, so you'll want to fix that pronto to keep the air fresh. One neat trick is to pour a little bit of vinegar and baking soda down the drain every now and then to keep things clear naturally. And if you're ever replacing parts, like the flange or drain pipe, make sure to get ones that fit your toilet model perfectly. No forcing things or it'll lead to bigger problems later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet drain plumbing is ignoring slow drainage until it turns into a full-on clog, which can cause backups and nasty messes. Another common issue is over-tightening connections. You don't want to crush pipes or crack fittings by being too rough with your wrench. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to check the vent system attached to the drain. If that's blocked, your toilet won't flush properly and can gurgle or smell bad. The fix? For slow drains, use a drain snake regularly instead of harsh chemicals that can damage pipes. For tightening, just snug things up gently and test for leaks before calling it done. And to keep vents clear, run water through them or call a pro if you aren't comfortable climbing on your roof. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find new clients without all the hassle of marketing yourself solo.